How to connect broker to MetaTrader 5. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open MetaTrader 5. Then click on quotes at the bottom left corner of your screen. In here, click on Add Trading Account in the middle. After you've done that, click on Find Broker at the top and search for your broker name. After you find your broker, click on the name, which will open this account. You will need to log in with the broker's ID as given by your broker. After you've done that, you will be connected to broker. This is how to connect broker to MetaTrader 5. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.